Garlic is a popular herb and spice that is well known to be effective on the immune system, cardiovascular health and many other conditions. It is a widely researched food particularly for its heart-healthy compounds and its ability to fight infections. But is garlic good for yeast infection? Yes, it is, and is being used as a natural home remedy for yeast infections for a very long time. Due to its medicinal capabilities, garlic is also available in pills form as supplements in health stores and pharmacies. You can use it in the early stages of many skin conditions including yeast infections before going to a doctor. Yeast infection is a fungal infection that can be easily tamed in early stages. Most yeast infections can be treated at home. Let's explore how garlic helps yeast infections. Yeast infections are a common occurrence for women. Most vaginal infections in women are yeast infections caused by fungus from Candida family. When the good bacteria reduces in the body, the imbalance can cause the yeast to multiply. Soreness in vaginal area, itching and burning sensation with thick white discharge are some of the main symptoms of yeast infection. As a home remedy for yeast infections, garlic has been used both as topical application and oral consumption. Allicin is a compound in garlic which exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties and is used in medical treatment and studies. Various studies have shown diverse results on effectiveness of garlic on yeast infections. Some studies have shown prevention and reduction in the yeast infection with garlic. But some other studies have shown no significant improvements. But, if your diet and medication is right, then allicin in garlic may expedite healing current condition or prevent future infections. You have many different choices to use garlic for yeast infection. You can eat garlic cloves, which is one of the most effective ways to treat yeast infection. But the side effect is bad breath. Oral tablets in the form of allicin are also available if you are concerned about the bad breath from garlic cloves. You can also consume it in your food to promote good bacteria and prevent the growth of Candida yeast. Garlic extract in the cream form can also be applied topically around the outside of your vaginal area. If you decide to use garlic for yeast infection, then do it under consultation with a doctor so that its performance can be monitored. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.